Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term zinger. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, zinger is a sharp or witty remark meant to surprise or insult someone. People use it when they want to cleverly respond or make a pointed joke. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Zinger first showed up in the 1920s as a way to describe witty or pointed remarks. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people who enjoy quick humor or debates. Now let's check out how to use zinger in a sentence. Correct example 1. She hit him with a clever zinger during the debate that left everyone laughing. Correct example 2. I can't believe you just dropped that zinger in the middle of the meeting. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said zinger at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using zinger right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Zinger means a sharp or witty remark meant to surprise or insult someone. It started in the 1920s, and now you'll hear it in conversations online or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with zinger in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.